Just a little ketchup. I don't think I would have let my mother put green onion in it. Corned beef hash. There's 3 kinds of corned beef hash that I'm aware of. There's a corned beef hash from a can. It's got potatoes, corned beef, powdered onion, garlic stuff, whatever. It's fine, it's gross. I came home from school in high school and like almost every day, grabbed a can, stuck it into the pan and fried it and then put a bunch of pepper on it. It was really good, really unhealthy, so I don't recommend it. But there was another kind, there's 2 other kinds that are a little bit better. There was a kind that my mom made, and that was using a can of corned beef. So this is a product of Brazil. They cook it, grind it or whatever, and package it up into this. And this is what we're going to make today. And then there's the other one, which is where you take a corned beef brisket and you cook it down. And then you take a bunch of great ingredients, mushroom, potato, carrot. You can clean out the fridge with this, so you can put anything in it. I was raised with sort of the basics of carrots and potatoes and meat, middle class, eat what you got. But as I got older and I got more interested in like the culinary aspect of it all, I was having a lot of fun just adding different things to it and making a hash, and I'll do a roast beef hash, I'll do a corned beef hash, prime rib hash. I'll take pretty much anything. Hash is just a kind of an umbrella term for throw a bunch of shit into a pan and cook it. And I'm kind of down with that. Tonight, I'm going to make a corned beef hash the way my mom used to make it. I'm going to make it probably a little healthier. I'm going to try to make it a little healthier. I've par-cooked some carrots and potatoes. So that's a pretty good thing to have par-cooked on hand. So what happens is the potatoes and the carrots are basically almost totally cooked. So really the only thing we have to worry about is our onions. Hi, onions. And our corned beef. Now, this is a fun little thing. If you've never experienced poverty or living in the 1940s, this little key thing was the way to open these. And you put it on here, and then you turn it. And it breaks the seal. You could take the paper off first. And you basically just go around the bottom of the can. Comes off, bottom of your can comes off. There's your corned beef and some fat and stuff. This is just tasty. It's not super healthy. So I'm gonna get a fire on. I'm gonna use a little bit of rice bran oil just to give the onions something to saute in. That's about 2 tablespoons. And then once we get the onions sauteed down just a little bit, I just want to take like the crunch off of them, and then we'll put the meat in, we'll mash it up, mix it around in the pan, and then once it gets hot and good and going, I'll take the mostly cooked potatoes and carrots in here, maybe add a little bit of butter, salt, pepper. I might add some garlic powder just to be ultra cheap because I didn't feel like cutting up garlic. All right. So a little salt, a little pepper, and then cook. And then cook. No? N'est-ce pas? It's no cooking. Why is no cooking? Did not cook fast enough? So this is going to be 3-4 minutes. I'm going to use a wooden spoon. It's a hex-clad pan. Doesn't need a wooden spoon, but ways to serve corned beef hash. Just by itself. Just eat it. A poached egg on top of it is really good. A fried egg is really good. It goes really well with like scrambled eggs. It is not super nutritious, and it's a little calorie dense. When I go out to restaurants, to breakfast places, when they have corned beef hash, I ask, do they make it? Do you like make it in-house, or do you like, because you can buy in big cans of the crappy canned stuff. And I went to the Talleyrand over here years and years decades ago, and they had corned beef hash on the menu. I said, "Oh, do you guys make it here?" And she says, "It's good," which wasn't really the answer I was looking for. Hi.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Hey, we're cooking corned beef hash. Okay, enough time has passed. It's starting to get translucent, so we're gonna see about squeezing this guy. A lot like ground beef. Really wants to stick to the pan, which creates like an amazing crust. All right, so from here, I'm gonna dump in the veg. And we'll do a little garlic powder. Fair amount of pepper, because I like pepper. And we're not going overkill on the salt, because you can add salt to it when you're done. This is going to need something green in here, so I'm going to put green onions in. And in a nutshell, this is what corned beef hash is. From here to the finish line is going to be checking your flavors, adding some green color. You can do chives. Oh, I have a chive plant outside. I could do a bunch of chives. You could do green onion. And you want to crisp this up. So you want to get, that brown coating on the bottom. So this is really just about not always moving it around. Baggy or green onion. In my youth, when I didn't care about calories or anything else, I would throw like half a stick of butter in. Salt, oil, fat, I don't know. It's potatoes and they really eat a lot of salt. Okay, let's give it a little try. A potato, a little carrot, a little meat. Cheers. Well, not cheers, I have to blow it. Veggies have just a little bit of a bite to them. The carrots do. Potatoes are good. The meat is kind of falling apart in here. Hexclad. Let's see how she handles it. Hey, look at the crust. And the flavor was great. The flavor it's salty, it's processed meat. What more could you expect? So again, not healthy food. This is the kind of thing that, feeds a family. That can was like $4, carrots, $1 or $2, a couple potatoes, some onion. It's a cheap meal. And this will feed 6 people. You throw some eggs in there, which are $4 a dozen, something like that. So yeah, you got yourself a meal here. If you like this, you should like and subscribe to the channel. And as I get time, which I don't have a lot of these days, I will make some videos. We'll go light up your inner child and make some corned beef hash. Make your mom proud. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.